Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all some new jewelry pieces that I got. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, so like I mentioned, I got some new jewelry pieces. These were gifted to me, and they were gifted to me by the brand called Read Your Heart. I want to tell you all a little bit about the brand. So Read Your Heart Jewelry celebrates the happiest moment in life with you, encapsulating those treasured memories into modern, timeless jewelry you'll want to wear each and every day. Whether it's the perfect piece for yourself or a thoughtful gift for a loved one, we hope your unique jewelry will serve as a joyful keepsake for many years to come. And then it says, thank you for allowing us to capture these precious memories for you. So the main component is Moissanite jewelry. It's, like I said, it's the main product for the Read Your Heart brand. As the best substitute for diamonds, Moissanite has the same fire and hardness as diamonds, which is one of the characteristics that the Read Your Heart jewelry is praised and recommended from their customers. So let me just show you the pieces that I received. Also down below there, I'm gonna have a code just so that you can receive 15% off your purchase. It's gonna be Carla Simon 15. Again, I will have that code linked down below. So I got two pieces. I already opened it and I love the packaging. So in this little packaging here, you just open it and you get like a cute little shopping bag. This is if say you're gifting this to someone or anything like that. You get this cute little turquoise. It's almost like a Tiffany blue, to be honest with you, but you get this bag here. It says Read Your Heart, and then it has the website on here. It's just www.readyourheart.com. Cute little bag. And then in here you also get like this manual, just tells you more about the brand. It's very stunning. Like you can see, they have all of these different pieces. So beautiful. And it just shows you, like I mentioned to you guys, the Moissanite, and I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it shows you like the difference between both. So you have the Moissanite, and then it says versus the diamond on here. It's just a cute little pamphlet that shares a lot of information. You get this little cleaner here, as well as, so this is just a certificate pretty much of authenticity from the Moissanite, right in this beautiful gold packaging. Like guys, when I tell you these pieces are just stunning, they are stunning. Again, this is just the report. It tells you, so on the first piece that I got, it tells you like the clarity, the polish, all of that stuff for the piece. And then it actually comes with this authenticity card, in a sense, like the certificate for the piece right on here. But I just wanted to share that with you. Let me share the actual pieces with you guys. Again, it's just like the packaging is so stunning. If I can be honest, the packaging is really stunning. So the first piece came like this, but when you take this little piece off right here, look at how stunning this is. Look at this box. It's just so beautiful. And then when you open it up, the piece comes in like this little package here. All you have to do is take it out of the package, and as you guys can see, I got these beautiful earrings. Like, let me put this box down so I can show you all how stunning these earrings are. They're just so beautiful. And again, I will have these items linked down below, and as you can see, they're square shaped. I just love these earrings for every day. If you all ever noticed, I'm a stud earring kind of girl. Do I wear hoops? Yes, I do sometimes, but for the most part, for every day, you will find me with a pair of studs. If you wanted an elegant look with a pair of studs, they go perfect with your hair pulled back, or if you're just chilling with like some sweats and stuff, studs are perfect. They're something that is just durable, everyday, dressy, casual. They fit any and every vibe. So yes, that was the first piece. And then the second item that I got, again, you get the beautiful, look at that. Oh, the quality is just, it's like padded and it's sturdy. Like, this is a sturdy box, and guys, I've been wanting this for so long. Look at this beauty. Are you all seeing this? Look at this. So I've been wanting a tennis necklace for so long. I don't know if you guys saw, like, I did a vlog not too long ago where I picked up a tennis bracelet, and when looking for the tennis bracelet, I wanted to find a tennis necklace, but I just was unable to. And you get, like, I believe this is called a lobster claw. Again, trying to get this to, I believe this is called a lobster claw. How stunning is this necklace? Like, let me just put it on because I want you all to see it. Oh, stop it. And of course, like, let me just lift my regular necklace up. How beautiful is this necklace? And it sits exactly where I want it. Like, this is just so beautiful. I'm gonna leave it on. I'm going to leave it on. This is just, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And I could just see this. Yes, it looks beautiful like this, but I could see this tennis necklace with like a black turtleneck, any kind of turtleneck, brown, anything. I don't know. Tennis necklaces are just beautiful. Like, look at this beauty. I cannot wait to style it. And both of these pieces were pretty affordable. Again, I will have them linked down below if any of you are interested. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. I just love this piece. I'm obsessed with everything that I got. Every single thing that I got. I'll probably, matter of fact, I'm gonna put the earrings on so you guys can just see how stunning they are. The two things that I need the most, earrings and a necklace. Like, we all need earrings and a necklace for sure. So I just wanted to show you all the earring really quickly, just so you guys can see for size reference how they fit on my ears. They're so nice. There we go. I got it to focus. Like, they are so pretty. They're just perfect, and I feel like they go very nicely with my necklace. Like, I am very excited. Do you guys see how these studs are just perfect? Like, you can tell I have earrings on, but they're not doing too much. I am in love. If you're interested in any of these pieces, these earrings are called the Halo Princess Cut Moissanite Stud Earrings in sterling silver. And then the necklace, I got the 18-inch tennis chain, and it's just called the Round Cut Punk Hip Hop Tennis Chain Necklace. Like, I love both of them. I love both of them. You guys, be prepared to see this on Instagram if you follow me on Instagram, and definitely here when I'm like styling my pieces, because I am just excited for both of them. I don't know, I like this with my neck. This is my everyday necklace. I like this tennis chain with my everyday necklace, but I also like it. Let me show you guys how it would look like by itself. This is how it looks by itself, and I just love both pieces. They're so me, and if you're anything like me, if your style is like me, if you like simple, casual, easy pieces, then these two are definitely pieces for you. I would say check out the entire website. They have rings on there. They just have so many pieces, and like I showed you, the quality is nice. The packaging is just, it's stunning. It's stunning. Like, I received these items and I was like, wow, like, it's really, really good. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. Also, check me out on Instagram at Carla.Simon19. See you in the next video.